If no one clicks, they won't watch. It's that simple. Your thumbnail is the first move to grow, capture attention, and pull viewers in. Every detail matters. Bold colors, sharp images, and text that teases just enough to spark curiosity. Now, imagine creating thumbnails that don't just exist, they perform. Every thumbnail you create should feel alive, ready to lead your audience on a journey they can't resist. Let's begin. Start by heading to canva.com. Click Create a Design, type YouTube thumbnail, and voila, your blank canvas awaits, ready to become a masterpiece. First, we need to create a character for this thumbnail so we can express how we feel in it. For that, head to ChatGPT and ask it to create a character for you. Just copy this prompt, and at the end, add the resolution of the image to be 19 by 6. Once you have your character, download the image and go to Canva. Upload the image in the Upload section and click on it to bring it onto the canvas. Click on Background Remove to remove the background of the image and adjust the character in the middle. Now, on the right of the character, we will show increasing views and income to grab viewers' attention. It's observed that thumbnails with money on them have a higher CTR. Now click on the canvas and press R on your keyboard. This is a shortcut to add a rectangle. For round edges, increase its value. Apply a border to it and rotate it slightly for a more dynamic look. Choose green for the border color since we are using a black and green color scheme. Next, duplicate the rectangle by clicking on the duplicate icon and make the second box bigger to fit larger text. Now, go to the text section, click on Heading Text, and type in Views. Change the font to Montserrat and adjust the size. Duplicate it and type Estimated Revenue for the other box. For the numbers, duplicate the same text, make it bold, and input the number of views and the amount of money earned. Adjust their positions accordingly. Now, let's add an upward arrow to indicate increasing views. Go to the Elements section, search for an arrow icon, and select one. Change its color, adjust the size and position, and add a white circle behind it to make it stand out. To do this, press C on your keyboard to add a circle. Adjust the color and size, position it using the Position section, and group the arrow and circle together. Next, add an image of YouTube Shorts on the left side for visuals. In the Elements section, search for a rectangular frame with round corners and select one. Upload an image, add it to the frame, and adjust its size. For the views, copy the number text, change the font to Anton, and edit the text. Add a play button by searching for it in the Elements section, change its color to white, and adjust its position. Finally, make the thumbnail come to life by applying glow effects. Go to Elements, search for green glow, and apply a green gradient. Add the glow behind elements you want to highlight. Make minor adjustments, and just like that, your thumbnail is ready. For the top text, write 1950s AI video tutorial. Go to Effects, apply the outline effect, set the color to black, adjust the thickness to 50, and change the font color to highlight the keywords in the text. Thanks for tuning in to SkillsTuber. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up if this helped you out.